Greetings. Hey guys, I hope you are doing well and good. In today's quick video, I want to share you about a worksheet for success. Basically, just information that I have extract from a book that I was reading, and I will share you the book information as well. If you would like to go read the book, it's very good, and that book has provided a kind of a worksheet for successful people, not only just an individual but also as a company or as a team. So it describes about if you could use these patterns like structures of your plan on a daily basis or a weekly basis, you will potentially be able to enhance a lot of things and achieve a lot of missions, goals, and dreams. So in this video, I'm going to create a video. I'm going to share you contents related to the structure of your worksheet that you can always implement. Make a copy of it, stick in a wall, and always write it down. You can also record in your phone notebooks and have your scheduled assigned by every day, so that you achieve all your tasks within a time frame. All right. So why do we have to share this? According to the book, it says that that's not only an individual but as a team. In New Zealand, they have implemented this kind of a worksheet, and many of their players as well as their team has successfully conduct this experiment, and it does give them a kind of a great results, and that's what it shows and share in the book. So why do we have to do this? This is to monitor your daily activities, the little micro assignments. So the best way to achieve a bigger goal is by learning every now and then from the little mistakes that you end up doing or wasting a lot of time managing the micro assignment. So if you are able to fulfill this micro assignment every daily basis or on a weekly basis and accomplish your goal and your plans, you will ultimately end up achieving a very great success when you fall into a micro task or say a macro task. So ultimately it says that when you are doing a little task and accomplishing tasks day by day, you are learning little things here and there, and then you implement and you improvise, and then improvise task will lead you to a bit better managers for yourself. Basically, it'll helps you to accelerate anything that you do when you have to do a bigger task or a micro or macro task. So what do you expect in this worksheet? Once you start following this worksheet, the behaviors of your may change. You may see there's a little behaviors of yours is changed, because that is the way you need to conduct yourself. Your character is always statue and it's stable, but to improvise your character, you need to change the behavior. So by changing your behavior, it'll ultimately lead you towards the growth, towards your excellence. That is what we are looking at the end of the program. It's not a paid program or anything like that, but it's just a contents that I want to share with you, which you can use in your personal life or in your business life or anything that you do. So basically, sometimes when we have a hard time to do the right thing, we can get confused because those information are stored in our head, and sometimes there's a lot of clutter in our heads, and with that we always end up doing the wrong things. So to have the right things is to draw a right strategy, and to have the right strategy is by planning, and by planning you will always have right goals, and you will know that what is the right action to do for your self as well as for your business. So with that, I will leave you with this assignment, and not an assignment but a task or things that you can help yourself to get yourself leverage or more of heading toward achieving your goals. Because what the important things in our life is our missions, our dreams, our goals. So to be successful, to become a successful person, all we need to do is to achieve our goals, right? And to achieve our goals, we need a framework. And this framework, this worksheet is going to help you out on your daily basis, as well as you will be able to monitor on a weekly basis and achieve your goals within a short period of time by knowing that what is going to be your next step in your strategies. And then you will always have the control of your plan. Once you're done with one plan, one task, one assignment, you will always be able to bring a new plan and add that into your next schedule, so which you will give the priority to accomplish it as soon as possible. And once you figure that out, you will learn a lot of things in between, so that you can put the new concepts, the new idea, or the new practice that you want to do it, you can set on for the next assignment, and with that you will be able to achieve your missions or your goal more faster than how these things is done in a common basis. It's actually a common sense things, but the thing is that people don't practice the common things. So the people who practice the common things are the one who always end up learning a lot of things, and with those learning you can enhance your skill, and that skills is going to leverage or help you out in your successful or success journey. So this is what I want to share for you today. I hope this content is going to be helpful for you, and if you do so, please do share your comments, and we'll look for the next video. Until then, have a good day.